Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and let's get into the video. So week closes and you can clearly see that in this week it kind of made a negative pattern here, and also I told you before that it continuously goes up from the last 5 to 6 weeks. So if it shows any kind of negative movement or halted around that higher side, and after that if it breaks that higher side which is 40,600 or 700, then it maybe show some positive movement here. So right now it kind of looks negative to me. It maybe goes down if it once again try to trade below 42,550 or 570 and shows negative movement on Monday, then you can consider it for selling, and our immediate target will be round level 43,000. So in weekly candle it kind of looks negative to me, but if it shows any kind of strong movement here and shows strong positive movement above 43,000 once again, then you can consider it for buying also. Now let's look into one day candle chart. In one day candle chart, you can clearly see that today market opens gap down and it continuously shows strong positive movement from that 43,100 level and made high around 43,600. But when it shows any negative movement around that 43,600 level, it continuously goes down and it made low around 42,600 level, which is almost 1,000 point. And right now it looks more negative to me because previously we have seen resistance around that zone, and when it breaks that, it continuously goes up. So those buyer who took any kind of buying trade around that zone, so if it breaks that on Monday or Tuesday and shows negative movement, then we can consider it for selling. And as I said, our target will be round level 42,000. So in one day candle chart, weekly candle chart, bank nifty looks negative to me. For taking any kind of buying or selling trade, we need to look into 15-minute candle. In 15-minute candle, you can clearly see that today market opens gap down, and if it continuously took support from that 43,100 to 43,000 level and continuously goes up, and when it goes up and immediately took resistance around that 43,600 level, and after that it shows rapid selling pressure on, and right now it trades around that support level which is 42,600 to 670. So as I said, if on Monday if it trades again below that 42,600 shows negative movement, then you can consider it for selling. Our immediate target will be 42,600. Next target will be round level 42,000. So if it opens flat and opens a gap down, then you can consider it for selling. But if it opens a gap up and if it try to trade say above 43,000 once again, then you can consider it for buying. Our target will be 43,250 to round level 43,300. So that's all about bank nifty. Now let's look into nifty in weekly candle chart. In nifty it also made kind of negative pattern here, but as not strong as bank nifty, but you can consider it for selling if it trades below 18,000 once again in this week, then we can consider it for selling. And our target will be 17,850 first. Next target will be 17,640. But if it trades above 18,130 or 50 and shows strong positive movement on Monday or Tuesday, then you can consider it for buying. And our target will be 18,350 to round level 18,400. So weekly candle chart, it made a doji candle here. So if it trades below that, then you can consider it for selling. But if it opens the gap up and shows strong positive movement, then you can consider it for buying. Now let's look into one day candle chart. In one day candle chart, you can clearly see that from the last 3 to 4 days, it continuously made low around that say 18,000 to 18,060 level. So on Monday, if it trades below that 18,060 or 30 and shows any kind of negative movement, then you can consider it for selling. Our immediate target will be 7,950. Next target will be 7,860. So in one day candle chart, in weekly candle chart, it kind of looks negative to me. If it shows any kind of negative movement, then you can consider it for selling. Now let's look into 15-minute candle. In 15-minute candle, you can clearly see that today market opens gap down around that 18,200 level, and yesterday also we have seen some support around that zone. So today it also took support from that zone, but it immediately took resistance around that 18,215, and after that it continuously goes down, and right now you can clearly see that it trades around that lower level which is 18,060. So as I said, if it trades below 18,060 or 18,050 and shows negative movement, then you can consider it for selling. Our immediate target will be 7,950. Next target you can set to 7,840 to 880. So in weekly candle, one day candle and 15 candle, it kind of looks negative to me. If it opens flat or small gap down and shows negative movement, then you can consider it for selling. But if let's assume that if it opens gap up around 18,150 or 160, and after that if it shows any kind of positive movement, then you can also consider it for buying. Target will be 18,200 to 220. So that's all about bank nifty and nifty. If you wanted to take trade in bank nifty options, then you need to look into bank nifty components. In bank nifty components, our first component will be HDFC Bank, and in HDFC Bank you can clearly see that yesterday it made new high, and today it opens large gap down and shows negative movement, and right now it trades around 1625. So if on Monday once again trades below 1620 or shows negative movement, then you can consider it for selling. Our target will be round level 1600. In ICICI Bank, it made kind of shooting star pattern here. So if it trades below 925 or 22 and shows negative movement, then you can consider it for selling. Our target will be 915 to round level 910. Now let's look into SBI Bank. In SBI Bank, it tried to trade say above 580, but it could not sustain that. Today, it also made high around that 587. So my as I yesterday I told you that if it opens gap up and shows positive movement, or opens flat and shows positive movement, if it goes up, then our target will be 587 first. Next target will be 590. So today it also achieves there, but right now it kind of looks negative to me because it goes upwards, but right now it trades around 576. So if it shows any kind of negative movement below 575, then you can consider for selling. Target will be 570 to 567. Now let's look into Kotak Bank. In Kotak Bank, it also made a negative pattern here because previously we have seen resistance around that zone. So today when it tried to trade above that 1960, it immediately took resistance around that, and right now it trades around 1920. So my suggestion would be, I will not going to take any trade in Kotak Bank for the another 2 to 3 days or for the entire week, because we have seen continuous support here and we have resistance around that higher side. So it needs to trade above that or needs to trade below that support level, then you can consider it for buying or selling. Now let's look into Axis Bank. In Axis Bank, it also made a shooting star candle here and it continuously hit resistance around that higher side, and from the below side it continuously took support. So my suggestion would be, if on Monday once again trades below 863 or 62 and shows negative movement, then you can consider it for selling. Our immediate target will be 854. Next target will be 846. Now let's look into IndusInd Bank. In IndusInd Bank, you can clearly see that it opens flat and shows rapid or hilarious movement from there, and right now it trades around that support level, which is previously we have seen support. So my suggestion would be, let it trades below 1060 or 65 and shows negative movement, then you can consider it for selling. Our target will be round level 1042, round level 1020. So that's all about today, guys. If you like my video, please share it and subscribe my channel, and if you have any kind of doubt, then let me know in the comment section.